And it's funny how sometimes everything can be going right. You can be doing all your preparation, but something just doesn't click. And that was me. So I went home. I then had Big Bash to come back to, so played for the Brisbane Heat, played 4 matches, and then was ruled out for the rest of the season with an elbow injury. Now, it was almost like a double whammy. I'd been dropped, which has never happened before, and then I was again out injured. I guess the same thing, I was down in the dumps when I went, okay, you know what, let's use this time. So there was a World Cup coming up that I really wanted to get to, so I was like, okay, the things that I can do is I can go get this surgery, I can do my rehab, I can come back, and I can work really hard on my bowling, and you know what, if I give it my all, if I don't make it, then I've done everything I possibly can. So lesson number 2, setbacks will always happen, but it's how you deal with it. Doesn't matter how big or little it is, how you deal with it makes you as a person.